Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to make a UI swipe gesture recognizer in this tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Steps are to add recognizer to view, format the gestures, and add the IB actions. And in this Xcode project, which you can download in the link below, you want to download the starter branch. I have the links down there in the description, but just make sure you're on the starter branch of this project, because the final branch is the solution. If you want to check that, by the way, but you know, let's just work on the starter one, okay? So here you can see we have a box here, which is a UI view, and we have labels here. We're going to, when we swipe, depending on which direction, add 1 to these labels. And they're already set up with IB outlets. I've set up the reset count button, just in case you want to like time yourself and swipe. And you can even add a timer to this. You know, you can take it and do whatever you want. You can fork this or something. I don't care. But yeah, you know, see how many times you can swipe. And so anyway, let's get started with the first step. And we're going to add UIGestureRecognizers to the project. So we want swipe gesture recognizers 1, and then let's see, it's on the right. So we're going to name that one right so that we can keep up with the outlets in the storyboard. Add another one. And I originally did like a, go here and then duplicate it, but I don't know, it had some issues with like the storyboard, storyboard type bugs and weird things, so I just add a new one every time. So that's the left one. We're going to say left for that. Add another one. Up. And then add one more. Make sure it's getting in the view there. And we're going to say down, because that's the one it can target. If you want to do the whole screen, which most cases that's what you're going to do, just drag it onto the whole view. But anyway, let's first change these to up and down, and then let's get to the IB actions. And now we're gonna let's drag it from here. You obviously don't want to drag from there. And then we're going to control drag. We're going to call this one right swipe. Gonna control drag. Call this one left swipe. Gonna down swipe. Guess what I'm calling the next one, y'all? Up swipe. Alright. So there we have those, and whenever we do something in that, it should make the label go up. So let's add that functionality. And as you can see, you already have up count 0, down count 0, blah blah blah. So what we're going to do is in the up swipe, we're going to say up count, and we're going to use shorthand, so this plus equals is like adding 1, or any number you put here. So we're going to add 1, and then we're going to say up label dot text is going to equal. Sometimes it wants to add those double text, but yeah, up, and then up count. And so yeah, there we have it, and we're just going to do the same thing here. down count plus yeah, you have to start typing, of course, yeah. And then down count. And we use, the string interpolation here. That's my favorite way to do it. You could just move it outside of this and then just say down in quotes and then have down count after that. But I don't know, I like knowing everything's in the same string and if you use multiple ones, but yeah, that's a conversation for another day. Anyway, see if you can do these yourself, the left swipe and the right swipe. It's the same thing. And let's just build and run to make sure this works. And so we swipe up, swipe down, perfect, reset, all good. Oh yeah, so like I said, yeah, do the left and right for yourself, and you can just check out the final branch, and you can see the rest of it. I'm gonna make some more like this, like the pan gesture recognizer or tap gesture recognizer. So if there's something like that, that you want, comment and subscribe. Check out the next ones. I usually put out videos once or twice a week. Tutorials like this. I'm working on. I actually did this because it's a pretty good way to do like unit testing. So I'm going to make a unit testing video with this final project here. So keep a lookout for stuff like that. And yep, see ya.